Hey guys, Connor here, and today I wanted to go over how to safely travel with the Logitech MX Master 4. The MX Master 4 is a wireless mouse, meaning when traveling, you only need the included Logibolt USB-C receiver and potentially a charger. However, the mouse has industry-leading battery life and most likely won't need to be charged while you are away. When you are ready to travel with your mouse, go ahead and ensure that the mouse is powered off so that you don't discharge or record any inputs if you have any connected devices. Place the mouse and the Logibolt USB-C receiver while embedded in the port into a travel pouch, travel case, or the Logitech official travel pouch, which is on their website, and your charger if needed. Now, once you have this safely secured, you can place this in any of your bags, pouches, packs, and the mouse will be safe and will not record any inputs, discharge the battery, or be damaged. Now, your device will not interfere with any other wireless connections when you are using the Logibolt USB-C receiver. So if you're traveling and you want to go ahead and connect the receiver, you won't have any issues with latency or mismatching or affecting paired devices. So this mouse is a great travel mouse. It's a great work mouse for when you are back at your destination and should be your go-to mouse when you are traveling.